Alright, we are going to fly SYMA big Chinook, a non-gyro version today. These helicopters fly like gyro versions. One on the left hand side, the grey one, is a 2.4 gigahertz gyro version, which is a later model. But this is the older one, which still flies really good. You have to do some manual adjusting with the trim as you fly. It's like driving an old Holden. I love flying it. Sometimes you can, the helicopter can sort of misbehave a bit, but if you play with the throttles, you can keep it under control. Let's try it now. So as you can see, you have to keep sort of playing with the throttle a bit and the trim, but flies beautifully for a non-gyro helicopter. Pretty windy, and I can adjust the trimmer, forward trimmer, from the control itself and beat the wind. So I'm going to land now. Had a really good short brief flight, flying it for the first time. The non-gyro helicopter screen, so you can that's easily beating this helicopter. Pretty challenging to fly these non-gyro helicopters. I enjoy it. Really good. Just because it lacks the gyro, because of the two motors, front and the back, it compensates a bit. Pretty windy, so I'm going to land this. For the first time I'm flying this helicopter.